It can't be everything wrong with the film for you to watch it 6-7 times. People who didn't like the film, they have their point of view, they have their opinion. What difference has he shown in this? He's not shown that he's raping somebody and people are glorifying him. This is against feminism. No, I mean, that's in your head. That's in your head. That's a love story. Hi, Rajan Bajwa here. You're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Apart from the fact that the music is being received brilliantly, the film has been doing so phenomenally well. At the same time, there has been a huge resistance to the film from certain quarters as well. The criticism that came its way in terms of that presentation of women and several accusations and criticism that came its way. Was that something that you were anticipating, and how do you respond to it?
I don't think we anticipated this, and to be honest, it came from only a certain people. I mean, you can understand people who didn't like the film, they voiced their opinion on social media and otherwise, and they were heard because they have a certain credibility to them in terms of their name or the job they do. But ultimately, if you see the reaction of the audience is totally different. You know, you can understand if there is a certain balance that some people said if they didn't like it, there were certain problems with the film, and audience also felt the same way. Audiences turned their face completely on the other side. They have gone totally berserk. I keep getting messages on social media and otherwise. People have seen it 6, 7 times. So there can't be everything wrong with the film for you to watch it 6, 7 times. I'm saying, let's say a situation where certain people spanned the film for whatever they felt, and everybody's got a right to do it. I can see something which for you is like 6 and for me it'll appear as 9, right? So it's the same figure, but it can't be everybody's point of view similar. If you see, the audience would have watched it once, and if they had a problem, they would have not watched it again. And if we talk about, the number of audience, I would say, let's say how many people would be watching? 10 million people watch films? 20 million people watch films?
More than that,
right?
More than that.
50 million people in the country watch a film. Now those 50 million people...
In theatres.
Sorry?
In theatres.
In theatres.
Yeah,
they watch a film and they see it, and a certain number of collection comes to the producer, or in terms of the gross of the film. वो उतना ही होता है. आप 2 बार देख लो तो double हो जाएगा. This is 4 times, 5 times. That means same people, let's say 50 million people if we're talking about, they saw it multiple times. If they had seen it only once, we wouldn't have reached this kind of number. And I'm not talking about just a number. I'm talking about people liking what they are seeing. And I don't think the prices of this film was some 1,500 to 2,000 rupees per ticket.
Regular ticket rates.
Those are regular ticket rates. But at the same time, I would say people who didn't like the film, they have their point of view, they have their opinion to say anything that they want to about the film, because it's a free country. I mean, we have freedom of speech. But the way they dissected the film, I don't think it was required, because it's a film after all. We're not trying to teach anything, we're not trying to preach anything. And if you get into the preachy zone, we're also trying to kind of portray, it's portrayed very clearly in the film, that somebody who, all these words which have been used, somebody who's a women hater or woman beater or misogynist, and whatever words have been used. If we say that the guy was that, look at the downfall. So what you're trying to show is that somebody who reaches these things, who kind of gets to these levels in his life, also hits rock bottom in the worst possible way, which Shahid's character does. I mean, if his family disowns him, except for his brother, I don't think anybody comes to his rescue, ever. Father disowns him, tells him get out of the house. Friends disown him, they don't go to meet him anymore. The girl also kind of leaves him at some point, for sure. He gets revoked of his license to practice his medicine, right? So imagine the rock bottom he hits, and if we, like somebody had mentioned, trying to show alcoholism and trying to show, we're showing the perils also of these things. We're not glorifying this. We're not glorifying that if you drink so much, you're a hero and you are looked at by people as somebody who's like this really macho guy. I mean, if you're showing snorting stuff, if you're showing he's smoking too much through the film, you're showing the downside of him as well.
Yeah, in fact, I spoke to Shahid recently, and he said that people who are saying that he's not being nice to women, but the fact is that he's not being nice to anyone. He's not being nice to his brother, he's not being nice to his father, he's not being nice to his mother, he's not being nice even to his grandmother.
His grandmother, imagine.
So it's not like just, so maybe it is being like a selective sort of outrage which is there.
Selective
maybe it's
outrage
not
plus,
fair.
you know, for example, I'd say it's a character. It's a story of somebody. We're not generalizing the people are like this. We're showing a story of one particular guy who has issues in his life, and this is his journey of his love story, his professional life, his family life, his siblings, his father, mother, whatever. You don't have to take it so seriously. I mean, let's say, which is the biggest film in the history of cinema? Godfather. Did people see after 40 years and become gangsters? Right? And if you see a comedy film, do you you come out of the theater, start being a clown? You don't, right? You enjoy it. You see a story. Sometimes you see horror. You don't try to scare each other after that. So let's look at film as just a means of entertainment. We're not trying to preach anything. If people say films, cinema apes society and society apes cinema, we're showing the bad side of somebody who's a part of the society. You've shown that this can happen too.
Yeah. Okay, so when you saw your director Sandeep Venga being attacked mercilessly, 159-second clip was taken out of context and it was circulated all across the board. Were you a bit hurt that he's a creative person at the end of the day, and he has a certain point of view, maybe he has not presented it in a certain manner which is maybe appropriate for some people, but treating him like a criminal and being so disrespectful to him maybe was not right?
I would say it was absolutely wrong for a simple reason. We are being very selective, and a selective amnesia also, I would say, with people. I'll give you a simple example of two films. Both of them I keep repeatedly watching. One is on Netflix, so I keep watching it all the time. Whenever I get bored, I just put on the film. Django, right? Now, the whole world, especially the people who are panning our film, Quentin Tarantino this, Quentin Tarantino, Leonardo DiCaprio that. Have you seen what he does in the film? He breaks somebody's fingers. That Broomhilda, whoever the girl is in the film, right, in Django, he takes her head on the table. He says, "I'll smash her head with a hammer." वहाँ आपको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है? अरे क्या बात है यार, क्या फिल्म बनाई है? What work he has done? There you get out and come out of the theater and you keep, reminiscing those moments as to performance-wise, and Quentin Tarantino has done this and this is so amazing. What difference has he shown in this? He has not shown that he is raping somebody and people are glorifying him. He is not shown he is murdering somebody and people are glorifying him. Another film, beautiful film, which I again absolutely adore, and again a cult film made by a very accomplished director, Zoya Akhtar. Yeah, this film, Gully Boy. उसमें अगर आप देखो, one girl sends a message to Ranveer's character on the phone, and Alia goes and bashes a girl up. वो स्विंग मशीन पे काम कर रही है, and she goes, तूने आगे से मैसेज किया मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड को तो तेरे को ये करूँगी, ठुक डालूंगी, and all that stuff. And then she gets to know that he has been out in the night and he said, "I'm home," and he's been painting graffiti on the walls with Kalki's character. She goes and takes a bloody beer bottle, breaks it on her head. There people are laughing over it. So why you're looking it as, somebody even mentioned, this is against feminism? No, I mean, that's in your head. That's in your head. That's a love story. I mean, one thing which people have kind of said very much against Sandeep is that he said something to the tune of कि अगर आप physically एक दूसरे के साथ में manhandle नहीं करते हो, there is no love. So now this has been misconstrued in many different ways. But what he meant was that if you don't have the physical freedom, then love becomes very marginal. You have parameters, you have lines drawn. अच्छा ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. He is showing love to a different degree. He is showing love to a different degree of obsession. Haven't we seen obsessive love stories earlier? We have so many, dime a dozen, and people love them. Ashiki too. The guy goes down so much. Aditya Roy's character. He goes down so much. He steals money from his girlfriend's purse, and she sees it. To do what? Drink alcohol. He's so slave to alcohol. वहाँ पे भी आपने कुछ नहीं बोला. I'm not saying that you should have said. I'm saying you looked at it as a film. You looked at it as cinema. You loved it. You enjoyed it. You loved the story. You loved the music. You watch it. You watch it multiple times. Go back home, and then if you like it again, you go back again. You don't have to go back and dissect कि इसमें ये क्यों किया, वो क्यों किया. पिक्चर है यार. पिक्चर देख के अगर इतना कुछ बदलने लगता तो फिर मतलब हर आदमी को बहुत कुछ बदलना चाहिए अपने बारे में, है ना. इतनी सारी खराब चीज़ें होती हैं, वो भी समझनी चाहिए. Hi, this is Rajan Bajwa here. You're watching me on Bollywood Hungama. please subscribe and hit the bell icon.